Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 11th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. This is a little bit disappointing. This is disappointing. Palantir down 17 cents, 1.77%. Closed at 942. So let's look at what we have here. So yesterday we were hugging this resistance. We crossed it today. And things were looking great actually. But then we came back down. Yes, we did not have stochastic on the daily chart. So then whatever happened on the hourly chart was a little bit more risky because we didn't have stochastic on the higher time frame, which is the daily chart. So I'm going to give you that. Let's look at the 1 hour chart right here. So on the 1 hour chart, so today we opened quite strongly, nice green candle. Yes, a little bit of a wick at the top, a bigger wick at the bottom right here, above the first support of the channel. And after that candle, we had stochastic over 60. So to me, in my book, this was a validation of the entry. And I did enter, I bought some stocks because the price is cheap enough. It's not like we are paying $900 like a Tesla share. This is only $10. So I bought shares right away. And then when it reversed, I sold when we came out of the first channel support. So by then, stochastic had gone back under and we closed below support. Then this was a mishap. This is an example that technical analysis does not work all the time. We had stochastic over 60. We had the break in resistance, blah, blah, blah. So it was the right move. It was a right move to take. But then it turned around. But also in technical analysis, what we tend to do is that when we have a turnaround and when we get played, we just get out. There is a minimal loss. Yes, there is a minimal loss. But then these things don't happen that often. A stochastic at 38 on the 1 hour chart. We only have MACD that's positive because of this move up since August 9, but everything else is not very good. Coming back to the daily chart. So while stochastic at 25, MACD bearish, and look at this. We even have the MI fooled. So that's pretty rare that it happens. But what can we do? What can we do? Nothing is perfect on this earth. We should let the stock stabilize itself before maybe trying this move up again. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.